In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. By the end, you'll confidently turn a full price and a discount into a correct discounted price with a single, reliable formula. Start by opening your worksheet and deciding exactly where you want the discounted value to appear. Click that destination cell so Excel knows where to place the result. This keeps your sheet organized and avoids accidentally overwriting existing data. Now, type the formula. Begin with an equals sign, then point Excel to the original price. Multiply by an open parenthesis, type 1, minus the discount, and then close the parenthesis. Spoken out loud, it sounds like equals original price times open parenthesis 1 minus discount close parenthesis. For example, if your original price is in A2 and your discount is in B2, you would type XA2 1 B2. That's it. The 1 represents 100% of the price. Subtracting the discount tells Excel what fraction of the price remains after the reduction. Multiplying the original price by that remaining fraction gives you the final discounted amount. Before you press Enter, double-check how your discount is stored. If the discount cell shows 20%, Excel treats that as 0.20 automatically, which is perfect. If the discount is typed as a plain 20 without the percent sign, Excel will treat it as 20 whole units, not 20%, and your result will be incorrect. In that case, enter 0.20, or apply a percent format to the discount cell so it reads 20%. Keeping discounts as percentages or as decimals less than 1 prevents surprises. Press Enter to calculate. You should immediately see the discounted price in the cell you selected. A quick mental check helps confirm accuracy. For instance, a price of 50 with a 20% discount should drop to 40. If your number doesn't look right, revisit the two inputs, original price and discount, and make sure the discount is a valid percentage or decimal, not a whole number. Remember, the parentheses matter. Without them, Excel might perform multiplication and subtraction in the wrong order, changing your result. The exact same pattern works for any price and any percentage discount, so you can simply point the formula to different cells in your sheet. If you need to show the discount rate itself elsewhere, just reference the discount cell. The formula here only computes the final price. That's the entire process. Choose your result cell, enter original price times open parenthesis 1 minus discount close parenthesis, and press Enter for a clean, accurate discounted total.